all, I would like to thank the chairperson sitting in the dais, to our BFO first of all, for spending his valuable time in attending today's program. Madam, Principal,
thank you, Madam Press Officer Sohanga. Amadi Kasidi, Maruiba, Terror, Sada, Yani Magisindari.
Matanda, Haide Ango, Lapit Pari Mamang Lekai, Tourism Agas, Maytay, Yamaytay, Pundumo Maya Lekai, Samungko Maning Lekai. Roy Bada, Oinam Pomam Bapur, Sitana, the Yar was so happy. Guy Matanda, Yunam Binoisi, Tarekun Maya Lekai. Matanda, Asoibam Anthony Singh, Napepali Mayalikai, place. So,
new doors and opportunities for you people. If you are a small entrepreneur, it will take you up to the next step. It will enhance your economy, enhance the employment generation in our state. So let us grab this opportunity. Let us take this initiative forward. Once you are trained through this initiative, you will be issued a certificate. Based on that certificate, you will get registered in various other government initiatives like Udyami portal and many other initiatives that will open up opportunities in terms of availability of credit to enhance your business, to make your business a little bit bigger one. That will enhance the economy for you and also generate employment for the people of our state. So let us grab that opportunity. Secondly, what I want to say, the training initiative that we are taking is videography, photography, and digital marketing. It is the most impactful and most important tool in this generation that I want to say. Our state, it is very beautiful, be it in the nature, be it in the cultural aspect. Many bloggers, videographers, they come to our state to capture the cultural festivals that are celebrated here, be it the Yoshan festival or be it many cultural festivals that are celebrated in our state. And they are very beautifully depicted outside our state. But what I want to say, let us increase the reach from our state itself. Instead of people coming outside, they will come for some limited festivals or they will be visiting very limited spaces. But you have the opportunity of being present here physically. So you can go to maximum places, you can capture maximum spaces, you can be the eyes of our state for other people, the people from outside our state. So you can cover many places, beautiful places, you can depict it very beautifully in your videos, and that can be showcased at national level, international level. So that will attract tourists to our state. So indirectly, you will be booming the economy of our state, you will be generating the employment of our state. So you are going to play a very important role. If we do this workshop in the very spirit of what we are organizing it, you will be the eyes of our state for the rest of the people from other state and create an international platform also. So let us grab this opportunity. Firstly, I would also like to know that how many of you are already having some studios or already you are having some hands-on experience in photography, videography. You can just raise your hands. If someone of you are having some studios or something already.
Photography experience.
Experience किसी का है? So all are you are having. Rest nobody is having. All are new to this profession, right? But I hope so. You are going to take up this profession once you get trained into this workshop in 3 days. I really expect the trainers to expose them to every aspect, make them self-reliant, independent, to capture the photos and videos in very good manner. And I have one expectation also in this whole workshop. If we forest department, we are presently in the run-up to the one Mahotsav from 1st to 7th. So and we also want to spread awareness about conservation of forest, be it conservation of trees, conservation of biodiversity, the rich flora and fauna of our state. So I have one expectation from all the participants in this workshop. If you can come out with a short video, just in form of a reel or something, maybe it's up to the duration that is preferred in a reel, 30 seconds or 1 minute. So that you can come up with one short video at the end of this workshop in 3 days, which you can put up in your social media platform. You can tag the social media platform of Forest Department, and we can select a few very good videos and we'll upload it through our social media platform also. So through these videos, I would like to, I expect that this video should appeal to the people to conserve the forest, to protect the forest, conserve the wildlife, to disseminate the rich flora, fauna, the biodiversity that is present in our state. Let us disseminate it out. So if these videos, if it are of very good quality and it spreads a very good message, we'll try to showcase in various platforms of Forest Department. So that I can assure you from my side. But I expect a one video, short video. Is that possible? After 3 days, can they be in position to prepare a short video of 30 seconds or something? Because you are going to teach them processing skills also, right? So I expect a short video at the end of the workshop, 3-day workshop. And once again, I wish everybody a grand success. Kindly grab the opportunity and try to learn maximum what is possible, and try to understand that you will be the most impactful person to showcase to other states and at international platform that how beautiful and how culturally rich our state is. So you'll be playing a major role in that direction. So try to grab the opportunity and learn maximum skill that is possible in this workshop. Thank you.